Oh, okay. Anyways, hi. Hey, say hi, you stupid bitch. No, I'm not gonna curse because it's family friendly. Yeah, totally. Anyways, let's ignore that. Hey, see something? Now my daddy doesn't want to say anything because they don't want to. Anyways, it's night. Wait, what time is it again? Anyways, oh, so I'm gonna try the new trend. I think I saw one of my favorite YouTubers do it. It's like Gambare senpai. I think that's what the title name is. So I'm just gonna try it, cause like why not? Okay, let me try. I don't know if it's Ganbare or Gambare. I'm just gonna try both because I don't know how the fuck you say that, because currently the title is like Gambare and Ganbare at the same time, so I don't know the difference between it. Let's just say Gambare first. Ganbare. I think that's how you say it. I think. Yeah, I think. Okay. Ganbare senpai. Why did I say senpai so long? Nah man, let's just try it. And let's just say the Ganbare. I don't know if it's Ganbare or Gambare, okay? I'm sorry, okay? If I'm wrong, just tell me. Because I am stupid. Yeah, I'm stupid. I haven't watched anime in a while, and I'm just gonna cut. And I still haven't finished Love is an Illusion and The Promised Neverland. I'm still on season 2, episode 6, I think. Okay, let's not talk about it. Let's just say Gambare senpai. As it's so cringe. Like really so fucking cringe. Oh shit. I just swear. Never mind. You know that, okay? You know that. Just act like it never happened. Okay? YouTube, you better not be drunk again. And you better not take down my videos because I say that currently. I saw a lot of people saying it and you don't take it, and I swear to God I'm gonna fucking get killed. You know what? I give up. I give up. Okay. Your turn. Yeah. Daddy, do you want to do it? No. Daddy literally just say no to me. Oh God. Anyways, can I? Anyways, so you tell me to do it. Why not try it too? I guess so. Gambare senpai. That's it. I'm out. Bye. Bye. Don't drag me in your shit anymore. Hey, let's ignore that, okay? He finally did it. He finally said it. Who? If you ask who is it, it's actually. Hey, and never mind. Do you guys want to hear my 3G voice? I tried my best to make my voice sound like him. So if it's bad, just tell me. It's not my first time like talking to like trying to make shuichi voice. I don't know if it's the same, but okay. Let me try saying the easy word. Kokichi, wait. Inside, let me try. Or just the character introduction first. Okay, let's try. I'm Shuichi Sahara. That's so fucking bad. But Kokichi, wait. I love you, Koki. Okay, let's try it again. Let's try again. Yo, suck at it. Just give up. Oh my god. Oh my god. Shut up. Okay, shut up. Anyways, Kokichi, wait. I love you. Kokichi. Kokichi. You will always be alone and you will. I forgot the lines. I forgot the line. What I'm gonna say. Yeah, I forgot what he say. I'm sorry. Anyways, what I can remember is Kokichi. Wait, I'm gonna make up my own voice. I'm gonna make up my own line and then use it in my Shuichi voice. Kokichi, wait. This it. I don't know if I sound like him, but please tell me if I sound like him. Then I will actually be proud of myself. If it don't, just tell me. If I sound like him, tell me. If I don't sound like him, just tell me, because I'm still trying to figure out if I sound like him or not. So don't judge me, okay? Now try again. Kokichi, wait. I didn't mean it. I love you, Kokichi. Does it sound good? I don't know. You know what? You know what? Bye. Sorry for not uploading though. I've been really busy. Just kidding. My lazy ass just don't want to do anything. So yeah. See you in 1 month or 3 weeks, 2 weeks. I don't know. Because I'm using my other account more than this account, so yeah. Anyways, let's just ignore that, okay? Bye.